So I have this place here, this wall, like the whole of. I had a mirror there, but I decided to get rid of it because I wasn't in love with it anymore. So it was just here, and my walls are so empty, like really, really empty. I'm going to work on this wall. I'm going to try the like I'm going to try. I have a vision in my head, but I don't know whether it's going to come to life, honestly. I'm just waiting for my mirror guy to bring my mirrors, and then he places the frames. I have frames here, wall frames, and I got them from Kenya, actually, Nairobi. And I'm going to work on that space, and I see how it's going to look like. Guys, my mirrors are here, like really. So I just transformed the old mirror that I had because I wasn't in love with it. So I came up with this, and I'm going to show you the second one. Actually, the second one is here, and it's going to be here at my sewing space. I love it. Full mirror. It was a full mirror, and I decided to transform it. Okay, and guess what? Let's see how it's going to look when I put it up there. I don't know whether it's a good idea, but the mirrors, I love them. I love them. Let me wait. Now, for starters, I would like to explain what was going on. I think you've seen me measuring almost to everything. Now, I'm somehow particular. I'm so particular with what I want. And this guy, it looked like he didn't know what he was doing, like he was asking me about everything and all that. So I didn't want to play the blame games because usually I have my mirror guy who does these things for me, but he was not around. So he sent me this guy. It was his first time to come here. Now I was so disappointed because first he didn't know what to do. Second, he was drunk. If you know me, I don't take alcohol. I'm not good at it. I don't like it. And even that scent, now he was down drunk. He was drunk, and I was worried for my mirrors because of course I put so much effort and money in it. Like he wasn't doing it. So I had to be there, help him measure, and of course get the right spot, help him hold the mirrors and all that because he wasn't steady at all. This is the first look of the mirror. I think I'm pretty okay with it. This is how it looks like, and we are going to work on the frames. updates that two frames and a mirror are up. Now I'm remaining with this frame. It's going to go down here. So as we wait for that, we are going to put this mirror here. This is my sewing space and it was looking so empty, and I didn't want to put a lot of things, so I decided to put a mirror too. I know, guys, that looks not to be straight, but I'll rectify that. I think there was a mistake in like measurements, but I'll rectify that. So I'm going to put this frame here, down here, and fingers crossed but so far the mirror is, yeah, I did a good job with this mirror. So I'm going to put it here. So I saw from here, this is my sewing space here, and literally it was boring, so I wanted something that can reflect the side of the sitting room, because I don't know. So I'm going to put another mirror here, like, yeah, a cool mirror here. So let me wait. So this is the mirror that I'm going to use on the other side. So I've decided to put that lasso because we are drilling, and I don't want my seats to be dirty. Guys, this mirror is dirty, so I'm done putting this there, and I feel like it looks nice. Look at my mirror. So I'm going to clean that mirror, and I am going to try and change actually these two portraits, this one and this one. I'm going to interchange them because I don't know, I feel like it's not giving what it should give, though I'm going to see. So you're not seeing this because I was actually obstructed by the light that was coming from that side, but that is how it looks like. So I'm going to put back the chairs. I'm soon getting my cushions. I'm soon getting my pillows, and guys, I can't wait. I think I made a right decision when it comes to the mirrors. So I'm going to clean it and then show you how it looks like, and put these back together and organize everything. Now here, this looks like this. Like, honestly, look at my plant. I'm very far from it. I think this guy broke my mirror here because it was more than that, but you see this side, it is short, and that is how it like. Okay, I love because I did this, I love the design, but it was supposed to be longer than that. So yeah, that is how it looks like, and I think I love it. So I'm going to clean them. I clean everything and then put everything back together and see how it's going to look. Guys, look at that. Look at that. I love it. I really love it. I made a best choice. Like, yeah, we're loving it so far. Oh, it looks brighter. I've cleaned this one too, so I'm going to put back everything there. My machine is already there. So I'm going to organize my table, and then yeah, we see how it's going to look like. But I think we're loving it. I remember when I was leaving my previous workplace, I decided to work from home, and I wanted to create a space that was going to, of course, going to give me peace, a place that was going to like that was going to make my life easier and my workplace really so good. And come on, achieving it. So this is my workplace, this is my sewing place. It's a small place space here at my place, but trust me, it gives me comfort more than anything, more than the place actually I was in before. So I managed to change my mirrors today because I wasn't in love with the mirror that I was using. Oh, the mirrors, they were nice, expensive, but it wasn't my aesthetic. So I managed to put my curtains. I made myself curtains and chairs, and I really love it. It's black and white, and for sure I really love it. I don't see a lot of people doing this, but that will be a story for another day. So today I managed to put my mirrors. I changed my mirrors. Look at my plant in the background. Guys, tell me this is not cute. Like, tell me this is not beautiful. Now, besides my mirror, I'm going to show you something else that I was yearning to do like for a longest time. That is my machine, though I'm going to remove this and I use another one. I'm going to unbox a new machine, sewing machine. So I hope you love it. But guys, I love this space so much. Look at the mirror, it just elevates everything. The moment you enter my house, it's going to spark you instantly. Oh, unfortunately I did not change my walls, though they don't look so, I don't know, that is the color I went for. Okay, but guys, tell me how I came to think about such design. So I was in Nairobi a few days ago, and so as I was coming, I wanted actually to shop for a few things, but time wasn't on my side. And yeah, so I left Mombasa without getting what I wanted, thinking I would get everything from Nairobi. But look guys, so I got this the last night I was in Nairobi. I decided to get these wall frames, and tell me how, because when I was getting them, actually I was so skeptical and I was so scared. I was worried. I was like, how is it going to turn out? Like, how? But look at that, guys. So that was a full mirror. It was actually a full mirror. I think you've seen that mirror in my pictures, because those that are kind of mirrors that I had, but I was just tired of them. I was tired of that shape in my house, like in my sitting room, and I was like, let me do something fun. And look at what I came up with. Like, guys, so yeah, we're just from hanging those, and I feel like now it's nice. Like, look at that wall. It was very, very empty, but look at that. Like, look at that now. I'm so in love. I'm so happy that it has turned out to be that beautiful. I love the aesthetic. I love the aesthetic, guys. So guys, I really love it. So actually, to give you a backstory, when I came in here, I think it's coming to 2 years. By the time we came here, this house was so ugly. It is a 2-bedroom house, one sitting room, a kitchen, and a bathroom, a toilet. It's quite a big house, but it was so ugly. I was so scared, and I didn't know what I was going to do with that house. But look at that. I'm even regretting now why I deleted the videos, because I was actually doing a house transformation, but along the way I felt like I wasn't in love with it, and especially the sitting room. Like, I took long to tackle it, to work on it, but now I think I'm loving it. I decided to go for a different like vibe. This has not been my vibe. Now I just got my couch recently, but telling you guys, I just got my couch recently and I'm in love with it. No, this was custom made. I don't like sofas, so I was looking for something unique that I could go for, something that was going to be really amazing, look cute, and I decided to go for this. So my furniture guy made for me that, and he also made for me this plus that. Now this was all my idea. My brother did this. I have a young brother who loves art so much, so he did that. We are soon getting what to do with this, because I didn't want it to be covered with threads. Are they called threads? Ropes. and yeah, but it looks nice. And then I got my carpet recently, and I got it from town. And look at this, I love this. Now I can change this table into two like tables. I can use this plus this to make a table. Without this, I can use it as the way it is, which is very nice. And I can change, this goes down and this goes on top, and I make, so I can have actually like three tables, three in one. How amazing is that? So I was a genius. So I chose the design and everything, and that's what we got. It's so unique, right? I know. So this candle, I made it yesterday, but one, and this book and all that. So I need to buy actually books, but I feel like I love more like, I love it when they are original books, just books that someone can come and sit and read. I just don't want to just buy books, just books like decor books. However, I'm planning on changing this, but for now we are still good. I'm going to change this, and I'm also planning on changing this because I love this seat so much. It's really legit, but I need to change the what? I need to change the color. They need to spray it, and then I need to change the cloth. Okay, yeah. So that is it. Yeah, that is it. I love it. We are loving it, honestly. Ugandans, it's not for Kenyan. I swear.
It's that lady who made me feel that. That means we are taking you to Uganda.
Aye, she must come to Uganda.
And once you
How's it called?